Are you frustrated with the yellow tint on your Sony TV screen? This common issue can be quite annoying, but fear not. Today, I'll guide you through how to fix a Sony TV that has a yellow tint. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to restore the vibrant colors on your screen and enhance your viewing experience. Step 1. Check the HDMI and AV connections. The first thing you should do is inspect your HDMI and AV connections. Sometimes a loose or faulty cable can lead to color issues, including a yellow tint. Ensure all cables are securely connected both in the TV and any external device ports. If you have an extra HDMI or AV cable, try swapping it out to see if the tint changes. This quick check can potentially save you from further adjustments. Step 2. Adjust the picture settings. Your TV's picture settings might be causing the unwanted yellow hue. Begin by navigating to your TV's home menu and selecting the settings or picture option. Look for the color or white balance settings and adjust them to see if the color improves. Consider switching the picture mode to standard or vivid, as these modes often provide a more accurate color balance. Don't hesitate to fine-tune the temperature settings until the yellow goes away. Step 3. Update the TV's firmware. Sony periodically releases the firmware updates that can resolve various issues, including display color problems. To update your TV's firmware, access the menu and go to the Support or Software Update section. Follow the instructions to check for updates and install any available ones. A simple update can enhance your TV's functionality and might just be the fix for your screen's yellow tint. Step 4. Contact Sony support or a technician. If adjusting settings and replacing cables haven't resolved your problem, it might be time to consult an expert. Contact Sony support for advice tailored to your specific TV model. You can also consider hiring a professional technician to diagnose and fix the issue. Sometimes internal components may need recalibration or replacement, which shouldn't be tackled without expertise. Step 5. Consider the lighting environment. Lastly, evaluate the lighting conditions in your room. Excessive ambient lighting can affect how colors appear on your screen, potentially exaggerating a yellow tint. Try adjusting the lighting or using curtains and blinds to control natural light. Some TVs have an ambient light sensor feature that automatically adjusts display settings based on room light. Ensure that this setting is active for the best results. Fixing the yellow tint on your Sony TV doesn't have to be a headache. By following these steps, you can restore the true color vibrancy of your TV screen. Whether it's checking your connections, adjusting settings, updating firmware, seeking professional help, or managing lighting, there's a solution for every issue. Remember, maintaining your TV with regular updates and setting adjustments can prevent future color problems. Soon, you'll be enjoying clear, vivid picture quality again. Thanks for watching and good luck with your TV troubleshooting journey.